Now let's look at an analogy, 比喻. The CPU actually functions like the brain of a human body. So this is the CPU of a human body, just like the brain. So the eyes is the input device. So when we see a series of numbers here, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. So the brain will input this number and will guess what should be the next number. So after processing this data, so these are the data, and the CPU will process it, our brain will process this information, and we come up with an answer just like 13. And we just tell the teacher or somebody else the next number should be 13. So this will be the output. So the data will go through a process or a sequence like input, process, and output. We call this the IPO. And therefore the CPU will execute a program which have been loaded in RAM, that is the main memory, to produce some output in the monitor. So let's say this is the program which has been stored or loaded into the main memory. We call this the RAM of a computer. So the CPU will execute that program to produce some output on the screen, on the monitor, or sometimes it will produce sound output through the speakers. So let's take another analogy. Just like playing a piano is like a CPU executing the program instructions. For example, this is a pianist, and the role of a pianist just like the CPU of a computer. So the sheet music are actually the program instructions. So the pianist will play the piano according to the sheet music. Yeah, and these are the instructions.